Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download and step by step I show you in this video. So open any browsers to type Dell Pro 14 plus, then service tray and then driver. After that, this first link dell.com. So just click on not this because this is the official website. Now if you want to install the all driver, so you can click here, check for update, and it will show the required driver you can install easily. Otherwise, if you have to install specific driver related to you are getting some issues and all, so you can install this selector driver. After that, scroll down, this is your system and this is your model number, and okay, scroll down, click on category. So after that, it will your driver will show like categorize. Slow down. In the network, this is a Wi-Fi driver, and this is download icon. So click and it will start download. Then it is completed. Then just single click to open. After that, click yes. Then there are two options: first directly and second extract and then install. So if you are facing some direct method, then you have to install this extract and install later. Very simple, extract and select the locations and then you can install. Now this is direct and now this is Wi-Fi driver is installing. Now this is install the Wi-Fi driver and then close it, then restart and then please check it.